Hey traders, this is Taylor with Top Pick Trading. I want to demonstrate a potential live trade coming up. A failed second entry short. Started this recording a little early before we're back at the EMA, just so we can see how it sets up. So there's a potential little trend line here. We'll be watching this. And just looking for a return to the EMA. This uptrend has been holding rather nice. We're still within the overnight highs and lows, so this technically could still be a range day. But we did fill the gap that was there from Monday, and now it looks like we may be heading higher. So you can see there's a new low here, and this will be a first entry, second entry short failure if we get a good signal bar here. We did close pretty much right into the EMA with a bearish bar, so that's good. I'll swatch this form. Go ahead and put my order. We're coming up short on the low side of the trend line. Prices are very bullish. And actually, based on this ATR, I'm going to switch ATMs and go for 7 ticks. Put that in. ATR is around 14, so we'll go for 7. Hopefully we can get a good close here. And we do get a good close in this. Let's go on for 7. Quick scalp there. Wow. Okay. Got the scalp. We'll see if we can get some runners. This has been pretty much uphill since before the overnight. So 2 attempts to go lower. Everything looks good for me. It bounced right at the trend line and the EMA. Lower this just a little bit to get out of this first one right before the highs. We survived that first pullback. Let's see. Hopefully we can avoid. Oops, sorry, I hit the help button. So close to that first one. And we do get the first runner there. I'll start trailing this second one. So yeah, we had this move down through the overnight. It filled the gap from Monday, which was right at the level right around the open. And we've been in this strong uptrend since. We had a move down off the highs of the uptrend, break a new low. Little mini congested jog with a new low set in place, and then a failed second entry short that we entered. And now it looks like it's hitting some of these stops. A strong bullish bar there. I'm going to go ahead and trail this one to lock in more. Wanting to get out around the highs of the overnight just in case. Close from yesterday. This could run a lot higher, but I'm fine with taking 10 or so points. Get out 1 tick before that close from yesterday. So yeah, this looks like really the trade of the day so far. Haven't seen much else. A rather clear setup. It's really pushing now. So yeah, the setup bar really committed shorts. You saw the big bearish bar that closed right on the EMA. Backed off a little bit at the very end, had a little bit of a wick, but still a good close for a setup bar. We want it to close strongly in the opposite direction of the way we're entering, and that's what it did. Kind of acts like a spring. You want to push down into it, then on your bar that you enter, it's simulating letting go of it, and that's the bounce we saw. Got a strong little bullish bar for our signal bar, and that's where we entered. Confirm the key entry point as well. Now we're overshooting that, so it may be a different one, but you can only play the trend lines you see at the time. So now we're starting to go sideways, so trailing this tight, we may get stopped here. Yeah, we do, but we still get 9 or so points. 5 or so on the first one, and 7 ticks on the scalp. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Failed second entry short and an uptrend. Thanks. Bye.